Vietnam is one of Asia's fastest-growing franchise markets, attracting international brands in food, retail, education, and services. For foreign investors, establishing a franchise company in Vietnam requires careful attention to legal procedures, company registration, and franchise licensing. Foreign investors cannot directly operate as individuals. They must first establish a company in Vietnam. This involves applying for an Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, and an Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC. These licenses legally recognize your company and allow you to conduct business in Vietnam. Establishing a company follows 3 clear steps. Step 1. Apply for the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, usually issued within 2-3 weeks, confirming your right to invest. Step 2. Apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC, typically issued within 1 week, which officially incorporates your company. Step 3. Complete post-licensing tasks, such as making the company seal, registering for taxes, and opening a corporate bank account. Once finished, your franchise company is legally established and ready for operations. When registering your company, you must select business lines under the VSIC codes that cover franchise services and the specific sectors in which you intend to operate. Vietnam does not impose a fixed minimum charter capital for franchise companies. However, your declared capital must reflect the scale of your planned operations. In practice, most foreign-invested franchise companies register between $50,000 and $200,000 USD, while larger networks may require more. Authorities may also review whether the declared capital is realistic and consistent with your business model. Every company must register a legal head office in Vietnam, which cannot be a residential apartment. You must present a valid lease agreement and ownership documents from the landlord. For investors who do not want to commit to a physical office immediately, LTS Law provides Department of Finance compliant virtual office solutions in Ho Chi Minh City, allowing you to register quickly and legally. Once your company is established, you must register your franchise activities. For foreign franchisors entering Vietnam, registration with the Ministry of Industry and Trade, MOIT, is mandatory before signing any contracts. For domestic franchising, companies only need to submit periodic reports to the local Department of Industry and Trade. This registration ensures your franchise agreements are legally enforceable and compliant with Vietnam's commercial law. At LTS Law, we guide foreign investors step by step in setting up franchise companies in Vietnam. From obtaining IRC and ERC, registering business lines, arranging compliant offices, and registering franchise activities with the Ministry of Industry and Trade, to drafting airtight franchise agreements and protecting intellectual property, we provide full legal support to ensure a smooth and compliant setup. Don't let legal complexity slow down your franchise expansion. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn for a free consultation. Your franchise company will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to grow in Vietnam's booming consumer market.